Number 5. In 2014, the population of Hong Kong was estimated to be around 7,112,688, and the city covered an area of 426.25 square miles. So what was the population density? Well, thinking back to yesterday, we just do mass divided by volume. So we had roughly our 700 million people, and our area, 426.25. So you just set this up, simple division problem, and your answer is 16686.66. Now, the problem says rounded to the nearest person. So, we cannot have 0.66 of a person. We also cannot just magically create a point whatever is left over, 0.33 of a person. We can't just go out in space and say, oh, here's an arm and half of a leg, we're going to put it on this person. So when you're asked about people, you have to round your answer down to the nearest person. So in our case, this would be 16,686 people per square mile. So you round down to the nearest whole person. Okay. A study reports that in 2010, population of the United States was 308 million blah 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 people, and the land area was approximately 3 million, about 3.5 million square miles. So what was the population density? Same problem as above. Set up your people on top. Divide by the land area, which was about 3.5 million. And again, it says round, this one says round your answer to the nearest tenth. So we have to pay attention to what it is asking for. So when we get this, we get 87.42, and this is people per square mile. Now, if they were asking for round to the nearest person would just be 87. So this would be 87 if asked for, let's see how they worded the last one. Rounded, if asked for rounding to nearest person. So just make sure that we're reading the question and satisfying what they are asking of us. Okay, a cylinder is sliced vertically along this dotted line shown to the left, and which two-dimensional shape is shown? So we're cutting right along here, and then we're opening up whatever is left, like unfolding it. Think of like when you open a book, kind of unfolding this. Well, if we did this, these corners would come out this way. This corner would open up about this way, fold out that way, fold out that way. So I'm just using my mind here to think about this. So when that would happen, that would fold out over there. This corner would fold over there, and then they still have this piece connecting them. And then same thing, this, we open up that side, we open up that side like we're opening a book, and then we have our length here. So what shape does that make? Well, in this drawing it looks kind of like a square, but using our answers we have, it's not any of these rounded shapes, it's only this rectangular quadrilateral shape. So think about opening a book when you are slicing things vertically. The last problem here, figures below are similar. Which volume, or what is the volume of the larger figure? So first, we have to figure out, well, to go from green to purple, what is our K value? Well, 9 divided by 6, K value is 3/2. Now, to find the volume K value, or the volume scale factor, remember when we give our answer in volume, you cube it. So we take our K value and we cube it. And the 3 goes on both of those there, so we really have 3 cubed times 2 cubed, which is 27/8. And then all you have to do to find your volume 1, or your volume of the larger, is you take our new volume K value and multiply it by volume 2. So 8 times 27/8, volume 1 just simply equals 27 meters cubed. So there you have it, folks. Another great day in geometry. Great lesson. You all are great people. Enjoy your night.